Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make radial background in Photoshop. First we go to the select menu, click on the subject. After selection subject we go to the layer menu, new to layer by copy. Go to the layer panel, click on the adjust icon, select gradient and make a gradient background. Then go to the filter menu, click on the distort to wave. Follow the setting. Again go to the filter menu, click on the distort to polar coordinates. Then OK. Now we make a radial background in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.